Hey everybody, this is Kyle from CSJ Props. I'm just going to shoot a quick video here of a saber I finished recently. This is a Luke V2 from the recent RPF RussRep run. This has been bored out and altered in many ways, frankly, to make it fit the electronics that were necessary and to allow it to hold a proper blade. This was done in conjunction with Industrial Action Customs and Kaz of Darkside Engineering. You'll see here the end of the emitter looks fairly stock until you pull the blade plug out, which has been bored out for a 7/8 blade. There is a Z6 LED inside of this with an igniter mini and a 2-watt base speaker. Just give you a quick look of the press fit pommel that Kaz put in for this to hold the speaker and to give you easy access to the SD card. The leads are a little long on that, you'll notice, but I actually did that on purpose. I wanted to make sure there was enough length that if you pull that pommel and it pops open a little too quickly, you won't have to worry about pulling your speaker leads right off the board. I've had this thing open and closed many, many times, and trust me, it's quite good the way it is. You'll see here you've got mini tactiles in either end of the clamp card down in there. This has one of the Slothfurnace clamp cards in it, the accurate card to fit the saber. Knurled knob, which also acts as the kill key. And I'll just pull that now and you'll be able to hear the custom boot sound on this.
You failed, Your Highness. I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Now, this saber for font number 1, given that I had a lot of options for what I could set up on this on many, many fonts, this actually has all 9 set up. But I left font number 1 more or less stock to match the movie. So your main blade is going to be green with a yellow flash. None of the FX mode is turned on. None of the Saber Cinema is turned on for that font. Though this saber is fully loaded with the entire soundtrack to Return of the Jedi. So when you're in Saber Cinema mode, you can play everything. This has a pile of FX quotes. I'm actually not even sure how many are on this anymore. I could look back through my files, but I don't remember. All I know is it took me a long time to load everything onto this SD card. So I'll just kick on the main blade here. I'll let you take a look. You see you get a nice bright green. Hit the auxiliary button. Get your yellow flash. You just slip a blade in here. And kill the light. Considering the thin neck and very tight spacing for an LED on this, it's actually got quite a bright blade on it. We didn't want to put the LED right in the end of the emitter. Chose to keep it down in the grenade section to give the emitter just that much more depth for the blade, keep the stability, and also keep the emitter as stock as possible without too many alterations there. There is an accent LED underneath the clamp card here, but that only runs in, I believe it's font number 3 through 9. I kept it that way so there were no extra blinkies. That way the purists among you would still have a nice clean V2 that acts just like it does in the movie without anything extra. And then when those times when you want to have a little fun with it, you can change up your fonts. You can see the blinkies running. You can change the colors. This is running like I said, a Z6, so it has full color mixing on it. Set up for anything from I believe I've got a purple and an orange, a green, a red, a blue, really the spectrum, including one font that is fully random, which will give you a different color every single time you turn it on. That is font number 9. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy it. This will be going up for sale soon. Keep your eyes on the forums.